down and start something new. If you want me to press, say yes. I'm next. Anything you throw, I catch. Say yes.
So this is where we end up. But let me show you how we got here. Intro. Okay, we're just gonna make a song. I'm gonna produce it, the whole nine, and let's just get to it. You're just gonna see me make some music. It's a little different pace for this right here. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack open, and I'm gonna start with my good old trusty arcade. I always get really good inspiration from here. They update it constantly, so I'm just gonna crack it open. The cool thing is that they update it so often that a lot of times I look and be like, that's new, that's new, that's new. Let's go to one of my go-tos. I'm gonna go to Honey. Honey is fire. Ooh, alternative R&B, actually. Let me see something. Damn, that's kind of hard. This is hard. Let's go. Let's go, arcade. Let's go. Let's go, arcade. Let's go. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. So right now I had to speed it up just a little bit, and now I'm gonna chop the sample how I want. One sec. All right, so I made the sample a lot more like swingy, and you can feel it. Feel the groove now. Like, watch this groove. Just way more groovy, super groovy now. I'm gonna throw my thermal plugin on, which I love to death. This is my favorite like distortion plugin right now. And what I use, I got a little preset. Maybe I'll let you know what it is. Oh dang, it's right in the corner. Okay, you can see my thing. Okay, screw you. I did a little bit of tweaking inside of it though, so it's not like fully, you can't fully have it. Woo! Look what it does to it. All right, let's get a little snare or something like that going, and then I'll start writing vocals. Writing vocals, interesting term. There is an instrument in arcade that it's like alternative hi-hats. Yes, it's called instead of hi-hats, which I find so funny, instead of hi-hats. So it's like if you're trying to just get percussion sound, but not, you know, like not hi-hats, like you're trying to get away from it. It's like just something different. I'm looking for something different. Yeah, let's bring it down just by half. All right, bet. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay down some melody. Let's get it.
Yeah, tell me where to take this. Know that you gon' hate this. Don't understand when I gonna want famous. She said her hate, she don't wanna hate. Yeah. Oh no, want my hate, what am I gonna say?
All right, let's plug in the heat.
Tell me where to take this. I know that you hate this. The situation landing on my lap. Situation landing in my lap.
Yeah, that's it.
Tell me where to take this. I know that you hate this. You just rather vibe, so I'm not gonna say it.
All right, let's add a little bit of percussion to this right quick, just to kind of make it bounce a little more.
Tell me where to take this. I know that you hate this. You just rather vibe, so I'm not gonna say it.
Ooh, when you find the pocket, like ooh.
This. I know that you hate this. You just.
All right, now I'm gonna go to arcade right quick because I want to have like a cool like vocal kind of like going around. Seesaw love? What's this gonna hit for?
Be there for you, for you, for you. When you're up, I'm down.
Ooh. Let's make it like super reverbed out. 1 second. Valhalla! Put my little pre-CZ on.
When you're up.
Woo!
When you're up. When you're up, I'm down. When you're with you.
Waiting for someone to make.
Holy snaps! I think I want to add some chords and stuff like that to it. I kind of want to add something to the chorus. Let me add something to the chorus right quick. All right, that's the basis for our chords right now. It's gonna sound nothing like that after this. Just give me a second. Let me just build the chords a bit, find the right notes and the right feelings. All right, so now that I got my chords, it's time to find the right sound. So these are the chords I selected. And now let's find the right sound for this. So Serum, let's open up Serum right quick. I love Serum. Shout out QAPT, by the way. He's ill. That's kind of tough. I'm gonna put it at the chorus part. I put it in a higher octave so it's out of the way of the vocal. 1 second.
You throw a catch, say less. I'm next. If you want me in.
So obviously that's a little cloudy within that, but I just like the feeling of it. I'll figure it out later, but for now we just continue this vibe. Now I want to get like a little swoopy swoop popping right quick, a little transition effect just to kind of come into that, and a little bit of a drum roll to kind of emphasize that boom. I'm next, just to make it feel like that. I sound stupid. I know, it's okay.
You want me to press, say less. I'm next. Any no. If you want me to press, say less. I'm next. Any
just for fun, a little God particle on there. From the top.
Tell me how you thinking we should play this. Been a couple days, we've been chilling, we've been really catching vibes. Even when we faded with the lights low, it just feel the same. Keep it real, never change, never dies. Telling you this happened by surprise. Never had a plan, gonna put that on my life. What it do? Yeah, are you down to start something new? If you want me to press, say yes. I'm next. Anything you throw, I catch. Say less. I'm next. If you want me in your bed, say less, say less. Anything you throw, I catch, baby, say less, say less. If you want me in your bed, say less.
I started getting crazy, but yeah. So obviously backgrounds, harmonies, all kinds of stuff, more production. Shout out to Output for sponsoring this video. I really, really do appreciate it. And just let me just have fun. No guidelines. I was literally just making a song, and that is literally how I would usually do it. Always. I love Arcade to death. I'm a big fan of it. I also use Thermal as well, and a bunch of other products that they have. But I really love Arcade. It's fun to create in. And just when I'm looking for inspiration, and boom, there we have it. Just something simple, say less. Hope you guys enjoyed that. You can also see more content like this over on my Devon Terrell channel. A lot of videos like this over at Devon Terrell channel. Enjoy. I'll leave a link in the description. Love you guys. Peace.